Garlic is a healthy spice with many health benefits, but eating too much may cause bad breath, heartburn, stomach issues, and other unpleasant side effects. Some of the common side effects of garlic include unpleasant breath or body odor, heartburn, burning in your mouth or throat, nausea, vomiting, gas, or diarrhea. Garlic has antithrombotic properties, meaning that it may prevent blood clots from forming. However, eating too much garlic may increase the risk of bleeding, especially if you're taking blood thinners or undergoing surgery. It's important to talk with your healthcare professional before using garlic supplements. If you're taking any medications or set to have surgery, you should also consult a healthcare professional before adding garlic to your diet. Stop using garlic and call your healthcare provider at once if you have redness, swelling, or blistering when applied to the skin, or easy bruising or bleeding, nosebleeds, bleeding gums. Eating 1 to 2 garlic cloves daily can have health benefits, but more can cause bad breath, heartburn, stomach issues, and other unpleasant side effects. It's best to enjoy it in moderation. If you experience any of these side effects, it's best to enjoy garlic in moderation. If you're concerned about any of these side effects, please consult a healthcare professional.